Most people think they have a time problem. We all get the same 24 hours, don't we? But why is it that some people are able to crush their goals within the 24 hours while others feel exhausted just answering emails or phone calls? Well, it's not about time. It's about the energy that you put into the time that you have. Now you can have like 10 hours free. But if you are drained, if you're tired, exhausted, you don't have energy, those hours are going to be useless. On the other hand, you can have one focused, energized hour and you can get a lot done within an entire day. In essence, what I'm trying to say is that time is not the problem because time is fixed. You cannot add more to the 24 hours that have been given to us. But you see, energy, you can renew it. Energy is renewable, and that's why I hear words like renewable energy. You can renew what you eat, how you rest, who you spend time with, where you spend your time, what you spend your time doing. That's your energy budget. Think of energy like the usual money you spend. Every task, every conversation, every notification is either a deposit or a withdrawal. Are you depositing or you're withdrawing? The goal is not to manage your hours because, of course, you only have 24 hours to work with. The goal is to make sure you don't run out of energy before the day is done. Instead of rolling straight into your inbox when you wake up, that's withdrawing out of your energy. Why not do a 10 minutes of meditation, walk, or anything else that will relieve you a bit? Identify your energy leaks or loopholes because doom scrolling at night, I cannot say this enough. It's a leak, it's an energy leak because it is going to drain you. Overcommitting to things you don't really care about is also a leak, it's a loophole, and it's going to drain you. Hanging around people who drain your energy is also a leak, and that is going to drain you. It's draining you already. Fix these leaks, and your day will feel a little bit lighter. Focus more on, tasks that matches your energy level. Don't do not do past yourself. High energy is very good in the morning. Do more of your creative activities or strategic work in the mornings, and then at night you can do light energy routine. So you can do light energy routine like hanging out, just things that are not going to wear you out. This way you don't burn prime energy on busy work because you need to protect your recharge. It's like you recharging your meter, right? You need to protect it. You need to ensure that just like your money grows when you invest, your energy should also multiply when you rest and when you put in a lot into it. In conclusion, stop asking people how much time do you have and start asking them how much energy do you have and where should you spend it. Protect your energy like it's your money because once it's gone, the day is bankrupt. So all this question of I don't have enough time, like, are you the owner of time? Are you the one who gave yourself time? You have more than enough time because God that gave us 24 hours knows exactly why he did that. And he knows that 24 hours is enough for us to do whatsoever we want to do in a day. So please stop asking me, you don't have enough time. You have more than enough time. What you need is enough energy to utilize the time that you have. Thank you.